Hey tech lovers! Welcome to the second part of Galaxy Watch 9. In the second part, meet Galaxy Watch 9 Ultra 2 with gorgeous premium titanium design and outstanding Samsung ecosystem. But the fact of having the high cost could make it a deal breaker? Let us find out. Let's start with its premium and rugged design. The titanium build feels incredibly solid, while being thinner and lighter than the previous Ultra. It's designed for hiking, diving, and everyday wear without feeling cheap. This watch looks ready to survive a zombie apocalypse, while I struggle to survive the summer heat. Gorgeous bright display. The AMOLED display is incredibly bright, vibrant, and easy to read, even under harsh sunlight. It's so bright, the sun might ask Samsung to turn it down a little. What about its blazing fast performance? With Samsung's latest processor, apps open quickly, animations are smoother, and multitasking feels effortless. Excellent health and fitness tracking. It offers ECG, blood pressure, where supported, body composition, sleep coaching, GPS, hiking tools, and new AI-powered wellness insights. When it comes to its improved battery life, the larger battery comfortably lasts around 2-3 days depending on usage, which is impressive for a Wear OS smartwatch. Yeah, let's see what could be as drawbacks on this Watch 9 Ultra 2. At around $700, it's definitely a luxury smartwatch rather than an impulse purchase. Large on smaller wrists? Its rugged design means it's also fairly bulky, which may not suit everyone. If you've got small wrists, congratulations! You've accidentally bought a tiny superhero shield. What about small upgrade for current Ultra owners? If you already own the first Galaxy Watch Ultra, many of the improvements are evolutionary rather than revolutionary. Some features need a Samsung phone. A number of advanced health and AI features work best, or only, within Samsung's Galaxy ecosystem. When it comes to battery still can't beat Garmin. Although improved, it still doesn't compete with dedicated outdoor watches that can last for weeks. So, go for it if you want one of Samsung's most premium smartwatches, you love health tracking, AI-powered features, you need a rugged smartwatch for fitness and outdoor adventures. Skip it if you already own the original Galaxy Watch Ultra and are happy with it, and you prefer a smaller, lighter watch. So, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more weekly updates.